Hello guys, welcome to Tutorly. So in today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to generate UGC with OPENART. This is useful if you want to create natural-looking content for products, brands, ads, social media posts, or lifestyle visuals, without needing a full photo shoot every time. We'll start right on the OPENART homepage. Once you're in, look to the left-hand sidebar and click on Image. This is where all the visual creation tools live, and it's the quickest way to get into making content that looks authentic and ready for social. For UGC, the goal is usually to make the image feel casual, believable, and relatable, like something a real customer or creator would post. On the main image screen, you'll see a couple of paths. There's Create Image for making something from scratch, and there's Image Variations if you want to explore iterations of an existing picture. Create Image is better when you want to build a fresh idea from a prompt, while Image Variations is useful if you already have a reference image and want different versions of it. For this walkthrough, choose Create Image so we can build a piece of UGC-style content from the ground up. This gives you full control over the person, product, background, lighting, camera style, and overall mood right from the beginning. Next, select a model. Different models are tuned for different aesthetics, so pick one that's known for realistic photography if you're aiming for influencer-style shots. Photo-forward models generally handle skin tones, lighting, and texture more convincingly, which really matters for UGC. If the image looks too polished, too perfect, or too artificial, it can lose that authentic social media feeling, so realism should be the priority here. Now, describe the image you want. The prompt is your creative brief, so be specific about subject, setting, lighting, and vibe. For example, type, young woman holding skincare serum in bathroom mirror selfie, natural lighting, realistic smartphone photo, casual lifestyle aesthetic. This kind of phrasing helps the model know it's a casual, handheld look with real-world lighting, not a glossy studio shoot. You can also mention details like slightly messy bathroom counter, soft morning light, natural expression, or everyday home setting to make the image feel more believable. You'll also notice two content groups in the interface: images and characters, and worlds. Characters and worlds is great for styled, illustrative scenes or fictional concepts. For realistic user-generated photos, click Images. That keeps the output grounded in photographic aesthetics. Since UGC usually needs to look like real lifestyle content, staying in the Images category helps avoid results that feel too fantasy, animated, or overly stylized. Before generating, choose your output and aspect ratio. Think about where the content will live. Square is versatile, portrait works well for mobile feeds and stories, and landscape can fit banners or web headers. Setting this now helps the composition frame your subject correctly. For example, if you're making content for Instagram Reels covers, TikTok-style posts, or story ads, portrait format usually gives you more vertical space and a more mobile-friendly look. Then, choose quality. Higher quality tends to produce more detailed, polished results, but may take a bit longer to render. If you're testing multiple prompts quickly, standard quality is fine. When you've dialed in your idea, bump it up for the final pass. A smart workflow is to test a few versions first, choose the strongest direction, and then generate the final image at a higher quality for a cleaner, more professional result. When everything looks good, click Generate. OPENART will render a set of images based on your prompt and settings. If the result is close but not quite there, tweak a few words in the prompt, adjust the lighting description, the camera style, or the setting, and generate again. Small changes can make a big difference in realism and mood. For example, changing studio lighting to natural window light or professional portrait to smartphone selfie can make the image feel much more like real UGC. And that's it. You've just created on-brand, natural-looking UGC and OPENART, starting from a clear prompt, the right category, and thoughtful output settings. Once you get comfortable with this workflow, you can use it to create product lifestyle shots, ad creatives, influencer-style posts, testimonial visuals, skincare content, fashion content, food content, or any social media image that needs to feel authentic and ready to publish.